Power BI makes it easy to share dashboards and reports, but sometimes you don't want every user to see all the data. In this video, you'll learn how to use row-level security, or RLS, to restrict data so that each user only sees what they're supposed to. Row-level security allows you to define roles and rules that filter data automatically. For example, a sales manager in France should only see French sales, a regional director should only see their assigned region, and a customer rep should only see their accounts. The report itself doesn't change. The rules dynamically filter based on the logged-in user. Here's how RLS works. Step 1. Define roles in Power BI Desktop. Go to the Modeling tab, click Manage Roles, create a role like France Sales, and define a filter such as Country, France. Add more roles as needed. Step 2. Test roles in Desktop by going to Modeling View as Roles. Select a role and the report updates to show only that filtered data. Step 3. Publish to Power BI Service. In the service, go to the dataset, click More Options, Security, and assign users or groups to each role. You can also set up dynamic RLS. Create a users table with fields like username and region. Link it to sales region. Then create a role with a filter, email equals user principal name. Now, each logged-in user only sees their assigned region. Example workflow. Sales table has data for USA, France, and Germany. Create roles for each country. Test them in desktop. Publish and assign users. When each user logs in, they only see their country's data. Best practices. Use dynamic RLS when possible. Test roles thoroughly. Assign roles to groups instead of individuals. And document your rules. Common mistakes include forgetting to test, creating too many static roles, or misassigning users. Recap. You learned what RLS is, how to create and test roles in desktop, how to assign users in the service, and how to scale with dynamic RLS. Now you can secure your reports so each user only sees the right data. In the next video, we'll enhance interactivity with bookmarks, buttons, and navigation.